Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix display black and white in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option display and brightness. Now click on it and then here you can turn on or off your dark mode. If you turn on your dark mode, then turn it off. After turn off your dark mode, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on erase all data. Now enter your password to erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.